Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can play with this Mochi1 model all free without registering and without using your credit card online without installing anything. We covered this model couple of weeks back on the channel where I showed you how to get it installed locally step by step and then how to do a hands-on demo. So if you're interested in local installation, this is not the video. I would highly suggest you to go to my channel, search it with Mochi, and you should be able to find few videos around it, and I'm more than sure you should be able to get it installed. But I understand not everyone has a capacity to get it installed locally due to GPU constraints and various other constraints, and then sometimes it's not just feasible. So in this video we are going to have a look at the way to get it running online for free to generate the videos. Of course there will be some limitation, then I will also tell you about it. But before that, let's have a quick look again at this Mochi1 model, which has really changed the way we used to think about text to video generation with the help of AI. As you can see, this model is a really amazing model in terms of quality, because not only quality, the reason why it is so good is that it follows the prompt to the hilt. It demonstrates exceptional alignment with textual prompts, ensuring that generated video accurately reflect the given instruction. This also allows the users detailed control over characters, settings, and actions. They have also benchmarked prompt adherence with an automated metric using a vision language model as a judge following the protocol in OpenAI's DALL-E 3 model. Another thing is that this Mochi1 model generates smooth videos at 30 frames per second for duration of up to 5.4 seconds, with high temporal coherence and realistic motion dynamics. Mochi simulates physics like fluid dynamics, fur and hair simulations, as you can see on your screen, and it also expresses consistent fluid human actions that is beginning to cross the uncanny valley. Also, there is a lot of benchmarking information on this page, and I will drop the link to it in video's description, which you can check out. So now let's go and I will show you how you can run it all free. And before that, let me also give a huge shout out to our sponsors of the video, who are Agent QL. Agent QL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. Agent QL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so this is a Genmo Playground which they have very graciously shared, where you can go and try it out for free. The weights and architecture for Mochi1 are open and available on Hugging Face, as I already showed you in my other video. But this is a hosted playground where you can simply go in and then describe your video. The limitation here is that you get two videos for around, I would say, 6 hours or so. So, but I think in order to test it out, that's more than enough. So let me just put in my text prompt here to create a video. So in this one, I'm asking it platypus swimming in crystal clear water, and then click on generate here. And if you don't know what platypus is, it is a very strange, weird, but really unique mammal, one of its kind in Eastern Australia and parts of Tasmania. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate. It is still rendering the video, and while it does that, let's have a quick word on the architecture of this model, because I think it is quite good, and while you can also look at the progress of it. So Mochi1 represents a really significant advancement in open source video generation that features a 10 billion parameter diffusion model built on their novel asymmetric diffusion transformer architecture, and you can see that diffusion happening there. It has been trained entirely from scratch. It is the largest video generation model ever openly released. It's simple, and to top it off, you can even hack its architecture and create your own, which is really cool. Efficiency is critical for this model to ensure that community can run their model. So as I said, that if you want to run it locally, I already have done the video which you can check out. The cool thing about it is that diffusion transformer, which is called as asymdit. Asymdit efficiently processes user prompts alongside compressed video tokens by streamlining text processing and focusing neural network capacity on visual reasoning. Asymdit jointly attends to text and visual tokens with multimodal self attention and learns separate MLP layers for each modality, similar to Stable Diffusion 3 if you have seen that. And their visual stream has nearly 4 times as many parameters as text stream via a larger hidden dimension. And many diffusion models use multiple pre-trained language models to represent user prompts, but Mochi1 simply encodes prompts with a single T5 XSL language model, which we also saw with, I believe, with Flux1 dev model. So you can already see that it has generated the platypus, and 98% is done. It is swimming under very crystal clear waters, and now after denoising it, it is processing, and that generation is almost complete there. There you go. So you can play it. Look at that. Really good stuff. Let me play it here by clicking on it. I believe Platypus could be improved a bit, but not bad at all. Look at the crystal clear water. Looks really cool, and that is the natural habitat of this model. And similarly, if you want to see other creations of people, they have been doing some real good stuff. For example, let me play this one. Look at this, how good this looks. So realistic. And of course, it is all about, look at the prompt, like cinematic, hyper realistic scene, a very hot summer in Europe amidst a violent sandstorm. So you can get the idea about the prompting here. And then look at this one. Maybe I'll just play this one a bit. Really good stuff. Look at the expressions, look so real. And then there are various other cool ones. Look at this one. Look at the splashes of water. So you get the idea that the model is really amazing. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to this hosted playground in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.